was so bad earlier that I felt so sorry for him.
There it goes. Look at that. Is it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I'm just going to stay
No,
focused.
it isn't.
Okay.
He must have moved to like make it look like there. We'll definitely be able to tell now.
Yeah. Is it now? Is that now?
Yes, definitely. Watch. I can't turn it at all.
My goodness.
Still can't.
And do you feel it on the side?
I do. I feel the balloon.
Right there?
Yeah. Still not.
Release the valve. See. Okay, never mind.
It didn't work earlier when I was doing it.
Okay. Should we?
That's a good one.
Okay.